Hello and welcome back to tazwells12. You again YouTube channel, which is tazwells12. I am the host, who is Tara Wells, and today we are going to do a Poundland haul. You like these, I know you do, because I've seen so many views on these. I try and give you as many as I can throughout months or weeks, depending if I go in there and find some good bargains, which I did this time. So we are going to do another Poundland haul. Before we get into the video, I just want to say please subscribe to tazwells12 by hitting the subscribe button. If you like any of my content, any of my videos, then hit the subscribe button and come and join the little love family on tazwells12. Also, if you like the products or the advice or anything that I give to you in the video, then please give it a massive thumbs up, because then I know that you like these videos, which I already do. So keep on bringing them little thumbs up. There's a clickable link on my main page of YouTube, which is for Instagram and Twitter, to check them out too, please, and follow, like, whatever you would like to do. Last thing before we get into the haul is that I am not sponsored by Poundland or any of the brands that I have bought. This is all out of my own money, but it's a good advice video for you guys, so that is the main priority of this video. But any ado, that is it from me. I have stopped rambling. Let's get on into another Poundland haul. I'm just going to explain that I have got my receipt here, but I am going to tell you if there's any items that I did pay over £1 for. Most of them are £1, but some of them I did pay over £1 for. First item I'm going to start with is some socks. This is a bit random, and I would never ever go to Poundland for socks, but I got some from Asda and they are absolutely great. But I wanted to try out a different range of socks, and I only wanted pretty much white ones. I go through them all the time. They sort of run out this elastic, or sizing sort of goes a bit bigger, stretches. But I thought, you know what, let's go and have a look in Poundland and see if they've got any socks. They do in the PEP&CO range. They had 5 pairs, and there's women trainer socks. These are a size 4 to 8, and these were £2.50, which I didn't think was too bad. Why I picked these up was I quite liked them because they were white, but they're different designs. So this one's got like ziggy zaggy designs with grey and white. Then you had grey and white polka dots. And you just had grey and white, which was normal, and some more polka dot ones, and then some more ziggy zag ones. And I thought these were quite nice. Sometimes I don't show my socks all the time. I either put them in my trainer with obviously my foot in them. I roll the tops down so you don't see the socks. So I thought these would be perfect as well. I did want pretty much white, but I did think when I saw these would be pretty good, because you don't always have to show these. I can roll them down. Really good. But they feel really nice, and they were quite nice designs and colours. I love a bit of grey and white, especially. About average pricing, I'd say, actually, but really good little bargain. This item here was actually £2, so this is another one that was a bit expensive than £1, but I still thought it was really good. This is the Powerful Clean, no harsh smells, 100% recycled plastic, really good, so that's nice. SC Johnson, the family company. MRMUSLE Platinum Bathroom. We already had a kitchen spray. You probably saw that in one of my Poundland hauls that I already bought. Some, I think it was Flash. This is the bathroom one, and this is Mandarin Orange. So I thought, you know what, a nice good orange smell for your bathroom. Lovely. So this kills 99.9% of germs, is 100% tough soap scum removal. There is 750 ml in there, and it works on mirrors, taps, bath tubes, tiles, shower screens. So I thought this was perfect. For £2, this looks really good and looks really well done. MRMUSLE was a good little brand. I thought, you know what, let's try it and let's have a go with it and see if it actually does work and have a nice smell with it too. Then I was looking for a potato masher. So in there was a plastic one and a metal one. I thought I won't go for the plastic one because I thought, oh, that might break very easily, so I thought let's go for the stainless steel one. I know this is really weird. It's not the normal shade. This is the Nifty Kitchen Stuff, and this is the stainless steel masher. Just got a very lit, just stainless steel silver. Okay, I'm going to have a truth about this. I was not quite sure I was going to buy this because the handle at the top looks like it's just been put in with glue, which doesn't look the safest of things and does not look the securest of things, let's just say that. And a lot of the metal has been scraped. I thought, you know what, let's just go for it. I have loads of stuff from Poundland, from the Nifty Kitchen Stuff, and it's been great. But you know what, this might underestimate me or make me think, oh, that was better buy than I thought. I thought, let's go for it. It might break, but you know what, I did think if it's only £1, it doesn't really matter if it breaks. If I bought it for like £5, I'd be pretty niffed off. And on the bottom here, it has like, this is the masher. So you basically go like that. Instead of one that goes like a triangle and normally has one like that, because that's what the plastic one was, and then you literally goes into the one handle and you mash it like that. You know what, let's just try it and see where it goes. I was looking for a glass jar to put bath crystals in. I tried to look in B&M, I tried to look in Home Bargains, and I couldn't find any decent sort of size and design that I really liked. And I thought, you know what, these are probably going to cost me a lot more money than I probably could at the pound shop. So I thought, well, I'm going to the pound shop, let's just have a go and have a look. Let's just go. Went down all like the bathroom stuff, they didn't really have any jars. Went into the little home section which has like kitchen stuff in there, and I found this, which actually I found a couple. So I found one that just clicked the lid down, and I thought, I don't really like that. I'm not really into that. I just didn't like the design of it. I just thought the metal bit could go a bit rusty if water gets in it, because we're going to use it in the bathroom. Yeah, there was just a lot that was going on with design I just didn't kind of like and fitted with us. Found this one. So it just has this like stripy design on it, very nice size as well, glass, absolutely glass, thick glass, and it just says homemade on it. Love this, just love this design. And then I checked the lid, and the lid is really easy to do up because you want it like secure on the top because you don't want water to get in there, but I think that's going to be secure, that doesn't budge, but it's easy to take off as well, so you just screw it off. It was silver, and I thought this was more better because once you screw the lid off, you can sort of sprinkle the bath crystals into the bath. That's how we'll do it for the moment, but I will try and find a little scoop because I think a little scoop will be handy just to go like that and put it in, but at the moment we will leave that. We will do this way, but I thought this was great for £1 and I love the design. It's supposed to be actually a cookie jar. I just got some stationery bits for work, so we'll go through these really quick. I got a notepad. I always need these notepads because they're really handy, and I go through notepads like anything. It is unreal how many notepads I go through. Thought I'd grab another one. So it's just this normal ring binder, which is easy to do because literally you just do this and then turn it over if you don't want to use that page or the front, and then it just has normal lines in it of a notepad. And then it just had this pink and marble design on it, and it just says, "You make me smile." Perfect for £1, perfect for work, so I grabbed that one. Then I grabbed some pens. These pens are absolutely amazing. They are so nice to write with. It is unreal because you get 3-pack of pens, deluxe ballpoint pens, and then you get them in a pink, a blue and a gold, black ink. Honestly, if you want some pens for work, these are good. Really good. They sit so well in your hand. They literally write like glide. They glide when they write. They're just nice pens, and I quickly stock up on these. They do run out quite quick. I stock up on these as much as I can, and these are really good. The last item I got was some Post-it notes. So you have 360 sheets in there. don't forget sticky notes, and there is yellow, pink, orange and green. Just got some more of these, haven't gone through the last load yet, but you never know. I thought just get them because at the moment we're working from home. These are a lifesaver too, so I grabbed them for the last stationery item. When I was walking to the checkout, I saw a load of foam bits on the end, and I thought, oh, I'll have a look, I need another foam cable. To be fair, I have bought foam cables out of Poundland and they have not lasted. It doesn't really matter, at the end of the day they are only a spare and they are only something I can use with my laptop and that. They are £1 at the end of the day, they're not going to be absolutely amazing. But when I went in there, I actually found this. This is a foam cable, and you're probably thinking, why did I buy another one? Because this looks a little bit more sturdy than the other ones, and I actually paid £2 for this one because it's a longer meter. So it's for iPhones. I just looked at the top and I could see clearly that was for an iPhone. This is from Tech Mobile Accessories, and this is a 3-meter USB-C cable. It's just the normal connections for a iPhone and a USB connector, but the wire is 3 meters long, so that's really good because sometimes when I'm in bed as well, I like these long cables. I like a long cable from my charger to my phone when I'm sitting in bed, and these are the good ones. A-class is an extra large USB connector, charger mobile. Honestly, I thought, you know what, I will go for this because it's only £2, and I've seen iPhone chargers a lot more expensive, and I'd rather buy £2 and chuck it away than pay £12 and then it doesn't work. Very quickly, I just want to say about the iPhone charger that I said that I got. Yes, my hair is a mess by the way, but it actually doesn't fit in my iPhone, and I've got the iPhone 11 Max, Pro Max one, and it doesn't fit in there, so just be careful because it did look like an iPhone on top, but it does work for an Android phone. So unfortunately, it's because it's pink and everything like that, I have given it to Neil, but it works in this phone. But it's just a bit of annoying for me because I've got to find a new one. This has come to the end of the Poundland haul. I know this is a very quick haul, but I've kind of put the items that I got in the Poundland into 2 separate hauls. So I've kind of made it into a Poundland video and a Poundland beauty video. So I've tried to split them up so the videos are not so long. You can still enjoy 2 videos and not be a pain to watch one big video, because that can be such a pain editing and you watching. So I've split them into 2. This is unfortunately the end of the video. I hope that you did like this Poundland video or Poundland haul. Then please give it a massive thumbs up because I think I got some really good items in there. My best item that I got from this haul was the jar. I love that jar so much. For £1, that is unreal, and if it does its job of carrying or holding the bar salt, then I am going to be really in there. So like I said, if you like it, then give it a thumbs up. Also, if you are new here or you are one of my subscribers, then thank you for watching as always. But also, if you're new, then please hit the notification button because that will subscribe you to tazwells12 and you can join the little love family, and you are more than welcome. I just want to say that I am not sponsored by any of the brands or Poundland in this video. This is all out of my own money and a nice video for you guys. So that is everything. Thank you for watching, thank you for supporting, and I hope that you have a lovely day or lovely evening, and I'll see you soon guys. Bye.